Let's take a look at these indicator lights on the front of your SF11, SF20, or SF50 steam generator. It's very important to understand that these indicator lights represent your safety limit chain on the machine. So these are all wired in series. So just because you have 2 or 3 lights that are not lit does not necessarily mean that you have 2 or 3 issues with your equipment. Let's run through some examples. The first scenario, of course, that you want to see is all the lights are on. That means every single safety feature in your safety limit chain is satisfied. All the lights are on, your machine is running properly. The next scenario is 3 lights are on and this last one is off. That is your manual reset pressure switch. So that's a clear indication that that is your issue. That's where you need to look. If your machine is not on, the manual reset pressure switch is where you need to look if this light is out. The next situation you could run into is 2 lights on and 2 lights off. Now, just because both of these lights are off does not necessarily mean you have an issue with your manual reset pressure switch. Where you need to look is earlier in the limit chain. That is the auto reset pressure switch. So if both of these are off, take a look here first, your auto reset pressure switch. The next scenario you could run into is 1 light on and 3 lights are off. Just because you have 3 lights off does not mean you have all 3 issues here. Where you need to look first is, of course, your water feeder level switch. Since this is the earliest issue in the limit chain, this is the first thing that needs to be satisfied before these lights can even get powered up. So take a look at your water feeder level switch. Finally, if none of these lights are lit up, take a look at your manual reset level switch, of course, as that is earliest in the limit chain. So that is the first thing that needs to be satisfied before anything else can have power sent to it.